In this question, we are given the function f of x, which represents the number of stolen bases per game in Major League Baseball, and x represents the number of years after 1977. And we have to determine this value f prime of 12, as well as we have to interpret f prime of 12. So first, let's determine f prime of 12. So this is basically the derivative of the function evaluated at x equals 12. So I'm going to find the derivative of the function f of x, and this is f prime of x. So I have to find the derivative of each terms. Derivative of negative 0.013x is negative 0.013. This is a constant, and derivative of x is 1. So we get negative 0.013, and plus 0.95. Derivative of a constant is 0. So therefore this becomes 0. So we get negative of 0.013. This is basically the derivative function, that is which represents the rate of change of function. And we have to determine f prime of 12. And this means in this f prime of x, we have to represent, or we have to replace x by 12. Since it is independent of x, this is also going to be negative 0.013. So this is the value of f prime of 12. Now let's interpret this f prime of 12. As we understand that f prime of x basically represent the rate of change in expected stolen bases per game. This is basically a function, and when we put x equal to 12, that is we have to add 12 to the years, to the year 1977. So this gives 1989. So basically, this represents the rate of change in expected stolen bases per game after 12 years from 1977, that is in the year 1989. So if we look at the options, we see that this is exactly matching to the interpretation of this f prime of 12. That is, the rate of change in expected stolen bases per game was f prime of 12 in 1989. So this is the correct answer choice.